Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, air conditioning, driver airbag, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defroster, MP3 player, CD player, trip computer, passenger airbag. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.